Discover how the star lining plate is trapped from an alumina zirconia blend with the star lining plate. Protection against abrasion and corrosion in high-wear environments. This innovative blend of alumina and zirconia boasts enhanced toughness and impact resistance, making it the ideal solution for coal transportation, pulverizing systems, and more. Suitable for a wide range of industries, including thermal power, steel, and mining, star lining plate is the smart choice for prolonged equipment life.
With its high temperature resistance and wear,
its
resistant
lightweight design and easy installation process significantly reduce equipment
material
load,
handling costs
while its
escalate.
corrosion
Upgrade to
resistant
star lining plate
properties
today.
ensure optimal performance in harsh environments.